All right, guys, 2023 Ford Mustang 5.0 Coyote. Beautiful car. It's only got 350 miles on it, guys. My man was watching our videos. He's like, I got to bring it down. And he ordered a X-Pipe. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Anyways, there's factory converters. They're in there. And what we did, he brought his own MBRP midsection, deletes the resonator and replaces it with an X-Pipe, as you guys can see there. The link to that will be in the description. And here is the part number on it right there. It fit perfectly, no problems. It's for a 2015 on up Mustang GT resonator bypass. We'll have a link for it in the description in place of the resonator, okay? The resonator usually comes from all the way here. It clamps on here, and then it clamps down here. And we always tack the clamps just to be on the safe side so they don't rattle off or get loose. Just gives it a little bit more security right there. As you guys can see, then it's ran 2.5 all the way back, and it's got the valves on it on one side right there and there. So they open up in certain modes, got the valve exhaust, becomes straight pipe basically. The resonator that was on it was right there. It's a dual in, dual out. You have to cut it off the vehicle. It comes welded, okay? So you have to cut it off. And then we installed the new one, as you guys can see there. Came out absolutely beautiful. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're in the area, come holler at us for all your exhaust needs or just come and say hi. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, 2020 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 Coyote. What we got done on it, factory converters there and there. Then we took this massive resonator off right there. And the customer brought us a Pipes Performance, right there, that box. Pipes Performance H-Pipe, as you guys can see right there. It's a bolt-on where you have to cut it back here. And then you use the original clamps over here that comes with Mustangs. And then you cut it over here and they sent some clamps with it. And we always tack the clamps so they don't get loose again. Because these Mustangs and sports cars, they're driven pretty hard. So you know how that goes. Anyways, so we tightened everything up for them. Left the original exhaust on the back, on the mufflers. And it does have active exhaust in it up there, as you guys can see. So it becomes really loud when you want it to, as you guys can see there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the factory the aftermarket H-Pipe right there. Mustang GT, he is in the Air Force, so we appreciate his service also, guys. Always thank a soldier, veteran, always thank a service member. So it's only got 350 miles. We're not going to rev it too hard. We're just going to rev it to like 3,000 RPM. 3,000. So you guys can hear it. We had a huge difference. Still breaking in. Here's sound decibels. I would say about 100 at 4,000. Again. You guys hear on the inside. This is what it sounds like after, guys. Again. Here's sound decibels. 115. Wow, that is loud. Pretty loud. Go ahead and back it up. Better, the active exhaust. With factory mufflers and H-Pipe. MBRP X5. Resonator delete. Break-in period, guys, so we didn't get on it too hard. Exhaust, this is with the active exhaust open. Wow, big difference. Again? That made a huge difference. All right, guys, enjoy it. Ford Mustang GT50 2020. We did an H-pipe instead of the resonator. Left the rear mufflers with the active exhaust the same. Came out sounding phenomenal. Hope you guys like it.